Student's Book, page 72. 1. Listen and check the sports words you hear.
Today's the school prize day. First, we're going to have our yearly obstacle race. Then we're going to give the prize to the winners of the e-zine competition. Runners should go to the starting line.
Good luck in the race, Alex.
Have you ever won a sports prize?
I've never won any prizes. He's doing really well.
Yeah, he's jumped over the sand and he's crossed the water. But he hasn't climbed over the wall. Come on, Alex! You've almost finished! What's he doing? He's stopping. I can't believe it. He's lost the race.
He hasn't lost, Dan. He stopped to help a friend.
Good work, Sarah. You've won this year's race. Now I have the names of the winners of the e-zine competition here. They are Maria, Dan, and Alex for the Kids Box e-zine.
We've done it! We've done it!
It's the first time I've won a prize. Well, I think we should celebrate. Let's write one more project for the e-zine. Let's do it on sports.
Okay.